So as regular viewers will recall, Judge, this was on a list of tickers that I had longstanding buy limit orders in at what I was calling ludicrous prices. Well, I got my ludicrous price in Moderna yesterday toward the close, $125 a share, and I never thought in a million years I would get it, but I'm really glad that I did. So I'm not wildly bullish about Moderna per se, but I think it's an amazing company, and I bought the stock in a 75% drawdown. I'll repeat that, 75% from its high. This was a $500 stock that fell to $125. And to be frank, I think it's one of the most cutting-edge, technologically exciting companies of all the publicly traded opportunities in the pharma, biotech, healthcare space. Like, these guys are on the cutting edge in so many ways. And if you think about the valuation, it's a $50 billion market cap where I bought it. So they're talking about $19 billion worth of vaccine sales for 2022, and that doesn't include federal government orders, of which they have none yet. So there's probably a lot of upside to that number, and I know everybody now thinks that we're in the endemic phase, and I hope that's true, but we don't know that for a fact. The next variant that comes along, and keep in mind, Delta came along in the summer, this stock could easily go to $200 on some sort of an idea that, oh, wait a minute, the boosters are going to be needed again. There's going to be new variants. So I think there's a lot of potential upside, not a ton of potential downside. And the cash position I should also get into. So it's about 2.5 times 2022 sales, but they're converting like 2/3 of every revenue dollar directly into cash. I think they have $17 or $18 billion in cash right now. So if you were to back that out, this is an even cheaper stock. So I think there's a lot of ways to win, not a lot of ways to lose. Definitely it could go lower. I'm not saying it's the cheapest stock in the world, but again, this thing has already lost like $100 and something billion in market cap in a very short period of time. And I think that looks overdone.